Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Hootsuite, complete guide step by step clearly. To log into Hootsuite, start by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in www.hootsuite.com and press enter. Once the Hootsuite homepage loads, locate the login button, typically found in the upper right corner. Click on the login button to proceed to the login page. Here, you will see options to enter your credentials. If you already have an account, input your registered email address in the first field. In the second field, type in your password. Make sure to double-check your email and password for any errors. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password via email. After entering your email and password, click on the Login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to your Hootsuite dashboard. In case you encounter any issues, ensure your internet connection is stable. You may also try clearing your browser cache or using a different browser. If you have multiple accounts, make sure you select the correct one during the login process. You are now ready to manage your social media accounts using Hootsuite. Explore the various features available on your dashboard to get started. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.